30 natural disasters.
Earthquake. An earthquake is when the ground shakes suddenly, causing damage to buildings, roads, or even big waves. Volcanic eruption. A volcanic eruption is when hot lava, ash, and gases explode out of a volcano. Lava flow. Lava flow is molten rock that moves out of a volcano during an eruption, spreading across the ground. Wildfire. A wildfire is a large, uncontrolled fire that spreads quickly through forests or grasslands. Tropical cyclone. A tropical cyclone is a fast-spinning storm formed over warm oceans, known as a hurricane or typhoon depending on the location. It brings heavy rain, strong winds, large waves, damage, and flooding. Tornado. A tornado is a violent spinning column of air that touches the ground, often causing severe damage. Thunderstorm. A thunderstorm is a storm with heavy rain, strong winds, thunder, and lightning. Lightning strikes. Lightning strikes are sudden flashes of electricity from the sky that hit the ground, often causing fires or damage. Acid rain. Acid rain is rain mixed with harmful chemicals from pollution, damaging plants, water, and buildings. Hailstorm. A hailstorm is a storm that drops small, hard balls of ice called hail. Tsunami. A tsunami is a giant ocean wave caused by underwater earthquakes or eruptions, often causing destruction. Dam burst. A dam burst is when a dam breaks, releasing a large amount of water and causing flooding. Melting ice caps. Melting ice caps refers to the process of ice at the Earth's poles melting due to rising temperatures. Flood. A flood is when water covers dry land, often from heavy rain or overflowing rivers, causing damage. Flash flood. A flash flood is a sudden, fast-moving flood caused by heavy rain or dam breaks. Landslide. A landslide is when rocks, soil, or debris slide down a hill or mountain. Coastal erosion. Coastal erosion is the gradual wearing away of land along the coastline by waves, wind, or tides.
Sinkhole.
A sinkhole is a ground hole caused by collapsing underground. Extreme cold. Extreme cold means very low temperatures that can harm people, animals, and plants. Blizzard. A blizzard is a severe snowstorm with strong winds and low visibility. Ice storm. An ice storm is a storm that brings freezing rain, coating surfaces with ice. Avalanche. An avalanche is when a large amount of snow, ice, and rocks suddenly falls down a mountain. Pest infestation. A pest infestation is when many harmful insects or animals invade and cause damage. Locust plague. A locust plague is when swarms of locusts invade and destroy crops. Sandstorm. A sandstorm is a strong wind that blows sand through the air, reducing visibility and causing damage. Heatwave. A heatwave is a long period of very hot weather, often with high humidity. Drought. A drought is a long period with little or no rain, causing water shortages. Famine. Famine is a severe shortage of food that causes widespread hunger and starvation. Epidemic. An epidemic is when a disease spreads quickly and affects many people in a specific area. Pandemic. A pandemic is a disease that spreads worldwide, affecting many people.